Hello friends. Uric acid. It's one of the most common health concerns experienced by a lot of people. In today's video, I will be discussing what is uric acid, what are the reasons for high uric acid levels in your body, what are the kind of foods you should be taking, and most importantly, what are the kind of foods that should be avoided from your diet. In the last, I will be sharing some simple yet effective tips from your very own kitchen. And since I'm a supplement advisor, I will also share some supplements that can help you tremendously in reducing uric acid levels. So if you find this video helpful, do like and share it with your loved ones. Hello friends, my name is Aradhna Mathur. I'm an iridologist and a supplement advisor. Uric acid is a natural waste product from your digestion of foods that contain purines. And purines are a type of chemical compound found in the foods and drinks that are a part of our normal diet. Your body filters out uric acid through your kidneys. If your kidneys don't eliminate uric acid efficiently, or you consume high purine diet food in your diet, uric acid tends to build up in your blood. High uric acid levels for prolonged period of time causes severe joint pains called gout. There are some other health concerns or health disorders that also raise your uric acid levels in the body, such as kidney issues, hypothyroidism, cancers, or some kind of chemotherapy or psoriasis. Now let's understand what are the kind of foods that should be avoided from your diet. Meats like red meat, pork, seafoods like sardines, shrimps, lobsters, mussels. Some vegetables like cauliflowers, green peas, dried beans, mushrooms are high in uric acid levels. As per many researches and studies, we have evidence showing that excess consumption of fruits also raise high uric acid in your body. Raisins, honey, dates, fruits, they are high in fructose, and it is one of the main and number one reason for high uric acid levels in the body. Fructose is the sugar found naturally in fruits. The second biggest reason for high uric acid levels in the body is beer. The yeast used to prepare this beer is the main cause for increasing high uric acid levels in the body. Those people who do intermittent fasting or fast for longer period of time, eat more fruit all day and practice this 2 to 3 times a week also experience high uric acid levels. Let me now share some foods that you should include in your daily diet. It's very essential to have to be mindful and watch what you eat. A low purine diet could be of great help to maintain your uric acid levels. You have to increase complex carbohydrates in your diet, like quinoa, oats, brown rice. Have more dietary soluble fibers. You could include fruits like apples, oranges, pears, strawberries, blueberries, cherries. They help reduce your uric acid levels. You could consume raw vegetables like cucumber, celery, carrots. Banana in your diet is extremely beneficial in lowering the excess uric acid levels. Bananas are low in purine and high in vitamin C, which makes them extremely good food to eat if you have gout or severe joint pains. Now I will share some simple tips which include things that are readily available from your kitchen, and I promise you can eliminate uric acid completely from your body without having to take any medication. The first and the most important thing, which will surely help you not only in one but in many ways, which is water. Having 8 to 10 glasses of water will help you detoxify, eliminate uric acids, kidneys will flush out more frequently, and you can get rid of uric acid. Sounds simple. Now let me tell you 3 more things that you could add in water, flavor it, and have it in the morning, empty stomach every day. Apple cider vinegar. A spoon of apple cider vinegar in plain or warm water, empty stomach every day in the morning. This will raise your digestive enzymes, help your stomach to digest the food properly and better and faster. Turmeric. You could add turmeric to water, boil it for 10 minutes, have it on empty stomach, sipping it slowly like a hot cup of tea. Many people ask me if they can have turmeric in milk. I would suggest a no, because we are trying to have a low purine diet and any animal or dairy product should be avoided. The third and the very, very simple thing that you can add in your water is ginger. Cut ginger into small pieces, boil it in water, have it on empty stomach like a hot cup of tea. You could do these alternatively or change it every week. Since I'm a supplement advisor, I would now suggest some simple supplements that would help you reducing uric acid levels and help you in severe joint pains. Curcumin. It's a chemical compound found in turmeric and is commonly used for conditions involving inflammation and pain. The second and the very helpful supplement is vitamin C. Since it is a water soluble vitamin, it gets flushed out of our body very quickly and helps in reducing the uric acid levels. If you found this information helpful, do like and share it with your loved ones and your friends. If you have any queries or you would want to ask me anything personally, you could visit my website www.healroots.in. Thank you and take care.